Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Do you want to improve your English listening skills? Well, you're in the right place. In today's world, English is a vital language, and one of the key aspects of mastering it is honing your listening skills. This video is designed to guide you on that journey, providing you with practical tips and techniques to use listening videos as a tool for learning English. We'll explore a range of strategies, from choosing suitable videos that match your language level and interests, to active listening techniques that will enhance your comprehension. We'll delve into the importance of repetition and practice, and how to use subtitles effectively. We'll also discuss how you can build vocabulary, develop note-taking skills, engage with interactive exercises, and even track your progress. So are you ready to set a solid foundation for your language learning journey? Stay tuned to discover effective strategies for learning English with listening videos. What kind of videos should you choose? This question is crucial to your English learning journey. The key is to select videos that align with your language level and interests. If you're just beginning, opt for videos featuring everyday conversations, basic vocabulary, or simple stories. They offer a gentle introduction to the language without overwhelming you with complex terminologies. Remember, the goal is comprehension, not perfection. You don't need to understand every single word. Focus on getting the general idea of what's being said. As you progress, gradually challenge yourself with more advanced topics. Your interests also play a significant role. If you're passionate about cooking, watch cooking tutorials. If you enjoy sports, tune into English commentary of your favorite games. The more engaged you are, the more likely you are to stick with it and improve. Choosing the right video is the first step towards improving your English listening skills. So let's start this journey on a strong note, shall we? How can you enhance your listening comprehension? Here's where active listening techniques come into play. These are strategies that help you focus your attention on what you're hearing and make sense of it. Firstly, focus on keywords. These are words that carry the main meaning in a sentence. They're often nouns, verbs, or adjectives. For example, in the sentence, "She quickly ran to the store," ran and store are the keywords. Next, listen for context clues. These are words or phrases that help you figure out the meaning of unfamiliar words. If someone says, "I'm feeling chilly," you can guess that chilly means cold because of the context. Lastly, try to identify the main ideas. Don't worry about understanding every single word. Instead, aim to get the general gist of what's being said. Active listening is a skill that gets better with practice, so keep at it. Active listening enables you to understand English better and faster. Why should you watch the same video more than once? You might ask. Well, repetition is a powerful tool when it comes to language learning. It's like the saying goes, practice makes perfect. When you watch a video for the first time, your brain is busy processing new information. You're trying to understand the context, catch the keywords, and make sense of the pronunciation. It's a lot to take in at once. But when you watch the same video again, something interesting happens. You start noticing details you missed the first time. You begin to understand the nuances of English pronunciation and intonation, and you start to feel more comfortable with the language. Repeating this process allows you to reinforce what you've learned and build familiarity with the sounds and rhythms of English. It's like building a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So don't hesitate to hit that replay button. Repetition is the key to mastering English pronunciation and intonation. When and how should you use subtitles? That's a great question, and it's one that many English learners grapple with. Subtitles can indeed be a powerful tool to aid in understanding English language videos. However, the key is to use them effectively, without becoming overly reliant on them. Think of subtitles as a helpful friend, guiding you along your journey of understanding the video. Initially, you might want to watch the video with subtitles on, allowing you to follow along and catch any words or phrases that you might have missed otherwise. This can be particularly useful when dealing with fast speech or unfamiliar accents. Once you've watched the video once or twice with subtitles, try watching it again without them. This will challenge your listening skills and help you to become more independent in your language learning. Remember, the aim is to gradually reduce your reliance on subtitles. They are there to support your comprehension, not to replace your listening skills. Subtitles are a helpful tool, but remember not to become overly dependent on them. How can you learn new words from listening videos? A question that often comes to mind when trying to build vocabulary. You can make listening videos a powerful tool for learning new words and phrases. Start by focusing on the words you don't know. When you come across an unfamiliar word, pause the video and look it up. Try to understand not just the meaning but also how it fits into the sentence. Then, replay the part of the video where the word is used to hear it in context. Next, pronunciation practice. Repeat new words out loud. This helps you get comfortable with the sounds and rhythms of English. Remember, it's not about how many words you learn in a day, but how well you learn them. Don't rush. Take the time to really understand each new word and practice using it in sentences. Building vocabulary is crucial in learning any language, including English, so make it a consistent part of your language learning journey. How can you make your learning interactive? A good question, and the answer lies in interactive exercises. These exercises allow you to engage actively with listening videos, transforming passive listening into active learning. Consider repeating sentences. When you hear a sentence in the video, pause and try to repeat it. This exercise not only helps you practice pronunciation, but it also reinforces the vocabulary and structures you've just heard. Next, try answering questions. After watching a video, ask yourself questions about it. What was the main idea? Who were the characters? What did they do? This will enhance your comprehension skills. Lastly, summarizing the content of the videos can be a powerful exercise. Try to explain what you've watched in your own words. This pushes you to understand the content deeply and use the language actively. Remember, the goal is not to do these exercises perfectly, but to engage with the language and learn from the process. Interactive exercises make learning English fun and effective. Let's recap what we've learned today. We've explored how to choose suitable videos that match your language level and interests, focusing on beginner-friendly topics. We've discovered active listening techniques to enhance your comprehension, including focusing on keywords, listening for context clues, and identifying main ideas. We've emphasized the importance of repetition and practice to reinforce understanding and familiarity with English pronunciation and intonation. We've discussed how to use subtitles effectively and build your vocabulary through watching and interacting with videos, including pausing to look up unfamiliar words and practicing pronunciation. We've also covered simple note-taking techniques and interactive exercises that you can use to engage actively with listening videos. We've encouraged you to explore different types of listening materials and provided tips for tracking your progress. And finally, we've demonstrated how to apply these tips and techniques using sample videos. With these tips, you're now ready to improve your English listening skills using videos. Happy learning!
Let's learn new words and practice English at level A1. Caption. Caption: text displayed on a video screen that provides dialogue or narration for viewers to read along. Example: watching videos with captions can help improve your English listening and reading skills. Dialogue. Dialogue, conversation between two or more people, often used in videos to practice natural language interactions. Example: listening to dialogues in videos can help you understand everyday English conversations. Pronunciation. Pronunciation, the way in which a word is spoken, including the sounds and stress patterns. Example: listening to videos can improve your pronunciation by mimicking native speakers. Vocabulary. Vocabulary, the words and phrases used in a language, essential for understanding and communication. Example: videos can introduce new vocabulary and help you remember words in context. Listening comprehension. Listening comprehension, understanding spoken language, including recognizing words and understanding their meanings. Example: practicing listening comprehension with videos can improve your ability to understand English speakers.